Hi everyone, so today I am doing a Your Nail Lab unboxing. It came in a Makartt box, but it's owned by Makartt. But yeah, it says Your Nail. This is the July box. It came in a pretty big box, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in it. Let's go through the steps. So I have the Luxe box, that's $35 a month. I believe the normal one is $25. Maybe it'll tell me. Yeah. So it says choose your box, pick a regular box, $25 a month, or a Luxe box, $35 a month. Our nail service will create a special box for you with full-size Makartt products, and then each month your nail lab in a box will arrive right at your doorstep. So yeah, like I said, I have the Luxe box. Let's see how many things it's supposed to come with. No, it doesn't. It just costs more. And curated for you, each unique, free shipping. Okay, so it doesn't really say like how a nail box or your Chrysler box says. It says like how many things come in it. But yeah, so like I said, I paid for the $35 a month one. You guys seem to like my last video of this. That was my first box. This is my second box, and this is for July. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this Your Nail Lab box. Like I said, this is the July box. Okay, so on the inside it does say Your Nail Lab in a box. Okay, it says Makartt times Charmed and Armed. Hey babe, this month is a little special because not only are we including items from Makartt's line of nail products, we've collaborated with Charmed and Armed to give you all a preview of some of their most gorgeous false lashes. These fluffy lashes dress up in any makeup look. These fluffy false lashes dress up any makeup look, are great for both every day and a cute night out. We hope you enjoy these. If you like these lashes and want more, enjoy 25% off of your shop at charmedandarmed.com using code NAILLAB upon checkout. XOXO, your nail lab and lash team. And this is Makartt times Charmed and Armed. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's move the box off to the side a bit. So, here are the Charmed and Armed lashes. Make sure, yeah, we're in view. Okay. So, the Charmed and Armed lashes. It says premium false lashes. Hey babe, we hope you enjoy these as much as we love creating them. XOXO, your lash team. On the back it says how to use. Remove from lash case carefully with tweezers and trim down lash to desired length. 2. Exercise the lash in by holding both ends of the lash with your fingers and move them up and down. 3. Apply lash glue carefully to the lash band and wait a few seconds before applying the lash. 4. To remove, gently peel off lashes from either corner and store lashes back in the case to use. And these are the lashes. On the inside of the box it says, hey, they're gorgeous. They're very pretty. They're soft too. A little extra for me. I don't really wear lashes like at all, so maybe I'll give these to a friend or something. But those are them, and like that's from Charmed and Armed. Okay, what else did we get? We got the Makartt Nail Extension Gel in 13804, so I'm assuming this is the polygel. Ow, frick. Okay. So we'll just put that before. So it's extension gel. Ooh, so it's like a galaxy, like purplish blue part, sparkly. It's really cute. Always good to have more of those. It looks like we get another one in 13805. Let's see what this one looks like. So it's like the same thing, but like a sparkly light blue. This gives me like galaxy vibes. I feel like you could create like a galaxy look with these. With those two. Okay. And then the next thing I see are these corrugated flash strands. I guess they come in 12 colors and they just show different ways to use them. So we get a blue one and like a purpley pink one. Oh, there's another one in here. This is more like an iridescent clear one. they give you some Makartt quick nail glue with a built-in brush. It's long-wearing, bonds and repairs artificial nails and natural nails. Let's go ahead and open that one up. Okay, so this is like similar to like the Kiss glue bottle. Super nice, comes in handy for when I apply press-ons. What is this? Nail rhinestone glue, that's always useful. And it'll be useful for all the rhinestones that came in this kit. Oh, and it's a big bottle. These are instructions on the inside. I'm assuming, so it's UV and LED gel nail rhinestone glue. It comes with a little thing like that, so it's easy to apply for small areas. And it says how to apply correctly. 1, put a little gel on the nail. Put the flat back or non-flat back rhinestone on. Cure it under UV LED lamp. Fill the gaps between rhinestones and nail with gel. Cure it again for 60 to 120 seconds and wipe off the extra gel. Apply the top coat and cure for 120 seconds. Cleaning the gem surface with isopropyl alcohol when finished. That's pretty basic for instructions. Okay. And then it looks like it comes with a brush. The brush isn't labeled or anything, but I'm assuming this is a gel brush. And then it comes with one end of a dotting tool, which could be useful for picking up the gems. And then this brush could be useful for applying the extension gel. I'll put those last. And then you get a thing of glitters. So it comes with 12 glitters. You get a purple, a vibrant orange, a clear white, a yellow, a green, vibrant pink, a more magenta red, kind of orangey red, a darker pink, a light blue, and a darker blue. So there's just glitters. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, it's taped. No wonder I can't open it. Okay, so let's pick out this orange one. It looks like it's got hearts, stars, and little circles. I'm assuming it looks like it's the same for all of them. So it's super great. And it looks like these are glitter letters. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it comes with a variety of letters in gold, light green, darker pink, silver, light purple, dark blue, black, darker purple, darker green, a brownish color like a turquoise, and a red. And it just looks like, yeah, like there's different letters in there so you can spell different things. Those are super cool. I've never seen anything like that. And then this. Okay, so tons of different sizes of rhinestones. I'm not too, what's it called? Like knowledgeable on the sizes. Like I know someone at work was like, oh, you just use the AA size rhinestone. But it starts fairly small and it goes fairly large. Obviously you get more of the small ones in it. And then this is large rhinestones. Let's see if I can pull. Got it. So it's just a square, like diamond looking thing. It looks like they have 2 square rectangles, 1 like square, 2 square diamonds, teardrop, oval, circle, and then like, I don't even know how to describe that. But yeah, so it comes with those and they're all fairly large. I can show you, like with my nail size, how short they are right now, it takes up about the whole thing. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is the Makartt's Duets 2-color gel nail polish set. Let me get my scissors. So you get blush pink, it's 8 milliliters or 0.2 fluid ounces. And then you get scarlet, which is the same size. So let's swatch these real quick. Put them under the light at the same time. They're fairly opaque and thick. Put that one over there. I'm just gonna do one coat of it. Ooh, this is a very pretty, like, yeah, literally blush pink. Make sure you guys can see it while I'm swatching this. Okay, I'll put those under for 60 seconds. I'll wait to show you those when they're done curing. So overall, I got a ton in this box. Like, this is more than I've gotten in Nail Boxy or Chrysler box. Yeah, like you get these large crystals or diamonds, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. You get smaller ones, the glitter letters, the set of glitters. You could do so many things with those. 3 of these flash strands, and it even shows you like different ways you could use them, even in like press-on sets and stuff. Some nail glue, rhinestone glue, which is in a huge tube and will like be very helpful for applying these, obviously, if you didn't have that before. 2 poly gels, and then they kind of threw in the Charmed and Armed lashes. Like I said, I'm not a big lash person, but I would probably give these as a gift to somebody. And then yeah, the 2 gel polishes, which I will show you right now. So it is like a bright red and a blush pink. Like, that's literally the name, the blush pink. So those are super good, and those are 1 coat. They were super nice, and they're fairly large bottles. Yeah, so overall, I'm literally so happy with this. I'm not sure if they sell all these things on their website, and if you guys are able to get them, that's something I would like to ask them. I mean, I'm sure they sell the glue and the gel and the colors, but I'm not sure about like the rhinestones and glitters and such. But yeah, I'm sure anything that has Makartt on it you can get on their website. I'm sure you can get these Charmed and Armed lashes on their website, and you can use the code, what is it? Let me check. Nail Lab for 25% off. You guys can use that code. Okay, so my camera cut off right as I was doing my outro. As I was saying, I'm super satisfied with all this. Your Nail Lab has had made great impressions on me. I'm super happy with both boxes that I've gotten, and I hope they keep impressing me. Yeah, so that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would definitely consider subscribing to this box if you want new nail products every month for only $35 for all of this stuff. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. I should have the August box up within the next week, and then I have one more Nail Boxy box to post before the end of that one. So I hope to see you in those videos as well. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.